keep you updated on the capital and financial markets. Here is a recap of what happened. When it comes to investing, you can either do it yourself or you can rely on a professional. Read more about who are unit trust consultants at smartinvestor.com.my. Financial planning is a very important life skill that most of us had to learn on our own. Read more about getting to know unit trust schemes in the latest Invest magazine at shareinvestor.com/invest. Malaysia's fund management industry assets fell 6.23% in the first half as investors pulled out of stock, bond and money market funds, worrying that interest rate hikes to fight inflation may derail a global economy that is still recovering from the coronavirus pan. The industry's total assets under management as of end June was 891.77 billion ringgit, down from 951.05 billion ringgit at the end of 2021. According to figures published on the website of Securities Commission Malaysia. The regulator typically posts the data without providing analysis. Singapore's central bank and financial regulator has signed an agreement with India's International Financial Services Centres Authority to share non-supervisory information and developments on innovation in financial technology. They have also agreed to leverage existing regulatory sandboxes in their respective jurisdictions to support experimentation of technology innovations. Human Resources Minister M. Saravanan says there is a plan to transform Social Security Organisation contributions into a pension scheme so that private sector employees will have a safety net upon retirement. He said it was worrying that those in the private sector did not have a safety net, income or savings after they turned 60 years old because most would have withdrawn their savings in the Employees' Provident Fund. The Hong Kong Monetary Authority on the 22nd of September raised its base rate charged through the overnight discount window by 75 basis points to 3.5%, hours after the US Federal Reserve delivered a rate hike of the same margin. Hong Kong's monetary policy moves in lockstep with the United States as the city's currency is pegged to the greenback in a tight range of 7.75 to 7.85 per dollar. Amid growing concerns about shrinking product shelves and conflicts of interest, the Canadian Securities Administrators are launching a review of sales practices for proprietary mutual funds. The regulators announced a review of certain funds distribution practices to examine whether further reforms are needed to ensure investors are being treated fairly when they're sold proprietary funds. This has been the FIMM TV Weekly Recap. Be informed, stay updated. Be sure to like, share and subscribe.